Hello everyone, welcome to ProTechnoid. So in this video we'll see how to insert a clickable checkbox in Microsoft Word. As you can see here, I have listed 5 checklists here and each checklist has a checkbox to it. So and this is an interactive checkbox. So if I click on it, it will be checked, and if I click on it again, and it will be unchecked. So I'll now show you how to add this interactive checkbox. So go to file menu and click on options and click on customize ribbon here, and make sure this developer option is checked. So it is not checked for me, I'm checking it, and click OK. So once that is done, a developer menu will appear next to the view menu. So click on the developer menu and click on this checkbox content control icon, the checkbox icon here, and a new checkbox will be added. So let me add it below. So new checkbox has been added here. So now you can click the checkboxes to see whether they are interactive or not. So as you can see here, it is checked, and you can click again to uncheck it. So you can do the same for all the other checkboxes also. But if you notice here, when I click on a checkbox, it is showing cross symbol. So you can change that symbol. I'll show you how to do that. To change the symbol of the checkbox, first make sure a checkbox has been selected and click on developer menu here and click on properties. So in the content control properties, if you see in the bottom, there are two options: checked symbol and unchecked symbol. So unchecked symbol can be empty. Uh, so for check symbol, right now if you see here, it is cross symbol has been assigned. And let's say I want to assign, so let's say I want to assign this symbol here. So I have changed it and clicked OK. So for the checklist 6, I have changed the checked icon. So if I click on this checkbox, and I will get this icon here. And if I click it again, and it will be unchecked and it will be empty. So if I click on the previous checklist, it will still have this cross icon because I have not changed the icon for that particular checkbox. So guys, this is how we need to add a interactive checkbox in Microsoft Word. So I hope you guys found the solution you are looking for. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if there is any other issues, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.